What's up, everybody? We're on our way to see Jurassic Park Dominion 3 days early. It's June 7th right now, and I came across these bridges, man. These are sick. What does that say right there, Wayne? I can't see.
View. Please drive slowly.
Oh, okay. Wow, but look at this bridge, bro.
Oh no, safely.
Oh, safely. Nice. Yo, I love this. This is beautiful. What? I love bridges like this. This reminds me of like Beetlejuice. Remember Beetlejuice when they go off or what's the other movie? I love bridges like this. And look how little the bridge is, and then this walkway. What? Wait, what does it say? Hillside Road Bridges. Wow. Wait, can you walk on this? Oh, this is sketchy, dude. Look at this river underneath. Oh, I love it. Oh. No, we're okay, baby. We're okay. It's a bridge. It's a bridge. What? No. Dude, that water is muddy as hell, though. Yo, I love these bridges, bro. What? Yo, I love this. Wow. Wow, look at that. What? And then the water going under you all fast like that? What? Yeah, why is it so watery right here, though? All right, come on. Yo, this is cool, though. I love this bridge, man. Both bridges. I love this walk bridge, but this is cool, man. I love bridges like that. They remind me of like movies. That was cool. Oh, look at this. Canal Exploration Center. Cuyahoga Valley Scenic. Wow. Oh my God, is this a train track? What? I don't know. I don't think so. It's probably just old. Look. Here, I'll just... This is cool, man. We'll pause that and read it later. We'll pause that and read it later. Yo, this is so cool. I wonder if a train still runs through here. This is like just for decoration, like. Explorer is not running at this time. What is the Explorer?
Train.
Is it?
Running at this time.
Why did this blur out? What is this? Where are we right now? What? This is so cool how it's like a train track right here. This looks so like a movie, bro. This reminds me so much of a movie, yo. I think it still runs.
I heard a train like that.
That is so... Really?
Yeah.
I love this, yo.
Can I go on there?
I love this train station. That is awesome. Alright, well that's that. Come on. Alright guys, here we are at the movie theater. About to see Jurassic Park Dominion. We're in line right now in the theater. It's a nice theater though. Nice chandelier. Oh, arcade right there. Keep going, keep going. Oh. I think you pulled out. Yeah, yeah. Oh, what? I tried.
Did I get mad?
You did good. What's up, everybody? We're outside the movie theater after just seeing Jurassic World Dominion 3 days early. In any event, it was good. It was cool that because it was like a premiere, they had like dinosaur fossils in the front. As far as the movie, some good like dinosaur versus dinosaur stuff. But I kind of felt like it was okay. You know, it was just okay. What did you think?
It's okay.
It was okay. I mean, this isn't a movie review. It's more like just a vlog going to see Jurassic World Dominion. But I just thought it was okay. You know, I thought it's no part 1 or 2. I'm not really a big fan of the Jurassic Worlds. Part 3 is okay. And this was just kind of not really a necessary movie. I don't feel like the storyline was even needed, or maybe I felt like they could have did a lot more with the characters, with bringing all the characters together, and a lot less talking and a lot more dinosaur action. Oh, you're making fun of me? But that's about it. Alright guys, peace. Subscribe to me channel. Follow me on Instagram, on Twitter. Like, leave a comment. Follow me on social media. Louis 6 Cards.